Brilliant, utterly brilliant at publicising herself. She's in the newspapers all the time. She must have everybody working overtime to promote her cause.
They also said that the Nigerian British, whether she like it or not, that Nigerian tag is still on her. Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. On this channel, I also do reaction videos. So if this content sounds like what you'll be interested in, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, I cite you guys. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Well, in today's video, I'll be reacting to this trending gist about Kemi and what next. For those of you that don't know who is Kemi Badenoch, which I feel like most people know, Kemi is a British politician who served as the leader of the Conservative Party. And she's the first black person to hold this seat, meaning it's huge. Early this year, Kemi Badenoch was trending regarding to her plans for immigrants. For those of you that don't know, Kemi's parents are originally from Nigeria. Kemi was born here in the UK, so yes, she's a British. Currently, Keir Starmer is the UK Prime Minister, and obviously Kemi is hoping to become the next UK Prime Minister. And she was trending regarding her plans for the UK, her plans for the British people, which was not really making sense for some persons, especially for the immigrants. So many immigrants were like, is she not an immigrant? Why is she acting this way? And for some reason, some persons feel like she was faking it. But I think for her, she meant everything she was saying. I watched a couple of her interviews, and honestly, the things she was saying about Africans, like, she's been too, I don't know the word to use. But anyways, it says on this article, which was published April 26, Tories more replacing Badenoch as party leader after poor rating. Like I said, Kemi is hoping to become the next UK Prime Minister, but then she is being replaced for poor rating. So many persons have been dropping negative comments about this woman, and for some reason, I don't know why she's not seeing it. For some reasons, she has been attacking immigrants, and honestly, I don't know why she's acting that way. Because anytime I see her interview, one way or the other, she must, have to say something about immigrants. I don't just know why she's, being that way. But however, that's her own plan, or that's what she thinks is best for the British people. But anyways, her future plan or her plans to become the Prime Minister is not longer happening because she has been replaced. In the past, she has one or two things to say about Keir Starmer, and honestly, the response from Keir Starmer, the UK Prime Minister, was something else. I'm sure some of you have seen this clip. Listen to this.
And I suggested to the Prime Minister that he cut the aid budget, and I'm pleased that he accepted my advice.
I'm going to have to let the Leader of the Opposition down gently. She didn't feature in my thinking at all. I was so busy over the weekend I didn't even see her proposal. I think she's appointed herself, saviour of the Western civilization. It's a desperate search for relevance.
So in this particular clip, Keir Starmer was telling her that she is being desperate because this is what it looks like. Early this year, Kemi was trending because it says on this article, Conservative leader Kemi Badenoch has proposed making it more difficult for new immigrants to be able to permanently settle in the UK. She says her party wants to double the time it takes for new migrants to qualify for indefinite leave to remain (ILR) status from 5 years to 10 years. This was one of the reasons why Kemi was trending early this year. She wants to extend the indefinite leave from 5 years. Currently, if you're on Tier 2 visa, after 5 years, you can apply for your indefinite leave to remain. And after 12 months, you apply for your British citizenship. Kemi's plan was, if she becomes the Prime Minister, she's going to extend it from 5 years to 10 years. And she also said that if you're an immigrant and you're getting benefit from the government, you're not even entitled, you're not even qualified to become a British citizen, meaning you cannot apply to become a British citizen. And if you have any criminal record, which is understandable for those people who have criminal records, if you want to check, so many immigrants are working their ass off, and before you even qualify for this benefit she's talking about, oh, not everybody is qualified though. So many persons, if you're a student, you're not qualified for any benefit. So I don't know why she was coming in for immigrant, and somehow it sounds unreal because she used to be an immigrant and she's making everything so hard. It's all over immigrant, and this is what's happening. She has poor rating. Personally, I don't even think that Kemi was going to win that seat. to become a UK Prime Minister. I don't think, because I mean, so many persons were not supporting her. Not just immigrants, or even the British people. Like, they were like, why is she something like this? Why is everything, you know, it was just not making sense. But anyway, she's been replaced for poor rating. I watched a couple of videos where some persons were saying some odd things about her. Listen to this interview.
She's brilliant, utterly brilliant at publicising herself. She's in the newspapers all the time. She must have everybody working overtime to promote her cause, and it's really a shame, because she's a scam artist, first degree, in my opinion.
I've seen a couple of interviews from British people, and honestly, I've not really seen anyone that is saying any nice thing about this woman. And I'm like, is this woman really seeing all of this? And she's up for the immigrant, that she's even supposed to say some nice things so that people will support her, because I mean, at the end of the day, politics na politics. Politicians, I don't trust these people. I'm telling you guys the truth. Anything that will favor them, I feel like that's what they're after. But this woman don't even care. And I mean, I'm very, very sure that most immigrants will never, you know, vote for her. So the conservative parties are already seeing this, because at the end of the day, politics now politics. They know that nobody is going to vote for this woman to become the UK Prime Minister, so meaning their party is going to lose. So they have no choice but to remove our Auntie Kemi, because they know that she does not stand the chance to win. She does not stand the chance to become the UK Prime Minister, and that is why they have decided to replace her. And I mean, good luck to her. It says on this article, unrest within the United Kingdom. Conservative Party could see Kemi Badenoch booted out as leader after poll rating for the party have dipped ahead of next week's local election. It went further saying, the Tories are expected to lose a significant number of seats in the election. Polls indicate that Badenoch has performed poorly and focused on the wrong issue in the 6 months she has served as Tory leader. More than 24 members of parliament told Bloomberg that the British Nigerian is not the right person to take the party into the next general election due by mid-2029. Last year, Prime Minister Keir Starmer led the Labour Party to victory, ending 14 years of conservative rule in the UK. The Tories, who are looking to make a comeback, believe Kemi Badenoch should be replaced with Robert, the right-wing Shadow Justice Secretary. You all can hear what's happening. For the past 14 years has been the Conservatives. So for the Labour to win the last election, the Conservative wants a comeback, and they thought Kemi is the perfect candidate. However, I used to say this, one way or the other, immigrants also, you know, push the election. Immigrants' votes count. Because during the election, I mean, someone like me, I don't used to cast vote, but honestly, the last election I went and I saw so many persons, you know, were supporting. In fact, it was even mentioned, so many immigrants voted. Even those persons that have never voted for once had to go and support the Labour Party. And this time around, so many immigrants are complaining about Kemi. Now, it's not as if her plans are not good. Now, what it says on this article is that she's focusing on the wrong issues. She's busy focusing on immigrant this, immigrant that. Anyway, they also said that the Nigerian British, whether she like it or not, that Nigerian tag is still on her. He went further saying the Tories, who are looking to make a comeback, believe that Badenoch should be the place with Robert, the right-wing Shadow Justice Secretary. Jenrick has voiced ambitions to unite the right-wing vote and reduce competition from Nigel Farage reform UK, signaling internal challenges, putting Badenoch leadership under significant pressure. The decision also came as Nigel Farage's right-wing Reform Party has consistently outperformed the Tories in recent polls, threatening to replace them as the main force on the right. Badenoch has focused on several issues that critics consider the wrong or problematic priorities for the Conservative Party at this time. She has concentrated heavily on opposing what she terms left-wing nonsense, including excessive regulation and identity politics. Critics say she has failed to demonstrate clear, detailed policy framework and has focused instead on the broad conservative principle and cultural issue, raising concern about the party's ability to present a comprehensive political agenda to voters. So if you're watching this video, what do you guys think about this? And honestly, early this year, so many people were saying that Kemi will not last, and it seems like her dream to become the UK Prime Minister is not forthcoming because she has been changed. People were saying she will not last with all of this her ginger. Well, personally, I shall know that so many people will not shall vote for her because people were not happy with the things she says, and just like it says on this article that she's busy focusing the wrong issue in the country. She is supposed to focus on the important things, but she's focusing on the wrong thing. But anyway, if you're watching this video, what do you guys think? Were you also thinking that she was not going to make it? Were you also thinking the same thing? Well, I just feel the need to share this with you guys. Feel free to leave me a comment, your thoughts on all of this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.